fourth standard students, you can see your maths book 4, textbook in mathematics for class 4th, math magic. Now you can see this textbook you have to purchase. Okay, myself Swati Dave, I will teach you maths. That's why I am showing you. Now you can see here the chapters list, and today we will start our first chapter, building with bricks. We know that ईंट से ही घर बनाए जाते हैं ना, रेत, सीमेंट, ईंट. Okay, so now we will start building with bricks. Now see here, building with bricks. Brick patterns for Jagriti School. This is the true story of Jagriti School in Murshidabad, West Bengal. When its building was being made, there was a plan to make brick patterns on the floor and walls. Not simple arrangement will be done, but in the pattern, the building will be made in the pattern form with the help of bricks. Jamal, Kalu and PR were the masons for the brickwork. They wanted to get new ideas, but new ideas we will get only when we see the old ideas. Then innovative way we can think. Some design we see, then with the help of those designs we can make different design. You have seen this thing in the art and craft work. They wanted to get new ideas for the school building, so they took their other friends to see the old tomb of Murshid Quli Khan. You can see here so many patterns you can see. This building has a big floor with about 2,000 beautiful brick patterns. How many patterns in this building? Building's name may be asked in the exam, so be careful. Okay, theory part also you have to see carefully, because this book's content most based on the theory part. Okay, these were made by masons long back, about how many years? 300 years ago. Now you can see the pattern. Like net, and here curved, you can see. Look how the bricks are arranged in this 5 floor patterns. 3 are here, 2 are here. Now we will see on the next page. Now 3 patterns you can see here. So 2 patterns we have seen here, and 3 patterns are here. Which floor pattern do you like the most? You can write here. Have you seen such patterns anywhere? If you have seen this type of patterns anywhere, you have to mention here. The masons come back excited. जब वो वापस आया स्कूल की बिल्डिंग के लिए, Jamal said, in those days they had made so many interesting brick patterns. Before 300 years ago, they made these patterns. So he is telling कि उतने समय पहले भी कितने सुंदर सुंदर पैटर्न्स बनाए हैं ईंट से. We had forgotten these. Let us make some nice designs on the floor of this school. So Jamal is telling, we also will make such a wonderful patterns on the floor of school. Each mason made up different brick patterns. The school is proud to have such beautiful building. Children play and sing on it and also make new patterns themselves. You can see the patterns. Different type of patterns you can see on the school floor. Now you have seen these patterns. These all are patterns on floor. Those patterns again individually you can see these all patterns. Again you can see here in your textbook. Okay, see. Now we will see questions based on these patterns. Okay, now see, which pattern is made in a circle? Not circle, you can see it's look like circle, but you can see here so pattern J is made in a circle, you can see. In which pattern can you show mirror halves? Draw a line. Mirror halves, that means when we divide anything in the equal part, same to same image we will get. Suppose that our face, vertically if we will divide, it's mirror halves. Now see here, if we will draw this, but in this way, so you will check, not possible. Covered, if you will covered, so half part should be covered on half, same to same part. Clear? Exact same part should be covered. These two are perfectly not, and these symmetrical. So it's maybe your observation. Okay, so here so many you will get, maybe these three are definitely, I am telling, not halves. So this question you will not do, because individually observation will be there. Now you draw some new floor patterns. This also you will not do. Okay, and I will send you page numbers, what you have to write in the CW notebook and what you will not write in the CW notebook. But for this work, this chapter you will do in your Interleaf notebook, geometry. Okay, Interleaf notebook. So you can purchase 100 pages Interleaf notebook from the market. Okay. Now how to draw a brick. These are two photos of the same brick. Front side of the brick, and here you can see three faces: top, front and side. Three faces. In one photo we can see only one face of the brick. In the other we can see three faces. Circle the photos showing three faces. So what you will do for this, you will draw in your Interleaf notebook these two images of bricks. If you are not able to draw, you can paste this. Two pics Xerox. Okay, but I will suggest you please draw. How many faces in all does a brick have? You can already you know. Suppose that if we are taking this notebook as a imagine this book is in the brick form. So front and back side, two faces, then so two here and two faces here. So how many faces? 6. Because brick is in cuboid shape, and we know that the cuboid has 6 faces. So how many faces in all does a brick have? Brick has 6 faces. Is any face a square? You can see here. Rectangle, rectangle, rectangle. This opposite of this face also will be rectangle. Opposite of this face will be rectangle. Opposite of this face will be rectangle. So no. Not any face is a square. Draw the smallest face of the brick. That means this side view you will draw in the front. You can see here is the longest face of the brick. So in this way you will draw the in front. You will take this part in front of the brick. Okay. Which of these are the faces of brick? Mark right. You have seen the brick is in this shape, this, this. We have seen the brick in the cuboid shape, and the face of cuboid is rectangle. So these 2 faces may be, but perfect face is this. Which of these is a drawing of a brick? Mark a right. Cylindrical, cuboid, but we have not seen the brick is in this shape. This triangle and quadrilateral, so it is the correct. It is a cube and it is the cuboid, and this is the brick's shape. Make a drawing of this box to show 3 of its faces. So this box you will draw in this way. So we can see 3 faces, or you can from the market you can purchase the image and you can draw also. Can you make a drawing of brick which shows 4 of its faces? It's not possible. Only we can show 3 faces of any cuboidal shape. Okay. Now next is a wall that will not fall. One day Munia and Zainab are playing with bricks and making their walls. Each makes a different wall. Zainab made this wall and Munia made this wall. Okay. Now see here. Here are Zainab arranged the bricks in this way. 1 brick, 3, and then middle. And Munia arranged in this simple. Zainab says her wall will not fall easily. Masons too do not put brick one on the top of other as Munia has done. It is the wrong way. When you will put the bricks one on top of the other, it will be weak and easily it will not work long time. So Masons always make in this way wall. What do you think? Which wall will be stronger? Zainab's wall will be stronger. Look for walls where you can see different brick patterns. If you have seen the brick patterns, you can draw. It's as you wish. If you want to draw, you can draw. Those who don't want to draw, don't draw. Different wall patterns. Now see here. Here are photos of 3 kind of brick walls. You can see. Can you see the difference in the way the bricks are placed? See here one is in the rectangle form, then another is the sleeping form. This is front view and it is the side view of the, and one is in the, and third pattern is this. Now match the photos of each wall with the correct drawing below. First we will check this. No. Then we will check this pattern. So 1, if we will give the numbers 1, 2, 3 and A, B, C. So match the following. 1B. You will draw in your, on the blank pages you will draw the images, okay? And on the lining pages you will match the answers. Now second. Again we will start from so 2C. And third, keen observation if you will do, easily you will get the answer. Third, A. So correct answers are first B, 2C and third A. I will send you what you have to write, and I will send the PDF file with this, so easily you can complete your notebook. What you have to write, writing material also will be same, so don't worry, keep patience. Okay, bye bye.